Hello traders, a fixed trader from InvestorBulls.com here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for FBCD, FBC Holding Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out on this chart is that you'll notice that we recently got a close today of 17.14% in the green. We got a nice green close today. So back that up with the fact that we more than doubled the average volume means that we saw some solid accumulation today. I got a chance to watch the level 2 for a large part of the day, and one of the things that I noticed while watching a shorter term 60-minute chart is that a lot of the buy volume was significantly heavier than the sell volume. Little dips throughout the day were on very, very low taps, and a lot of the upside pressure was on huge buys. So looks like some serious bullish momentum is moving in. So let's take a look at some of the bullish momentum indicators. Starting with the RSI, you'll notice that we recently got a spike up in both the 5-period and 14-period RSI. We stayed above that 50 line, which is technically within the buy zone, which is anything between 50 and 70. So looking good there, got some strength, and we're seeing this nice 5-period over 14-period RSI crossover, which is also bullish. Another thing worth pointing out here is that we are just about to get this golden cross here. You'll see that the simple 50 moving average is at the same as the 200 moving average here. Both are at 0026. So pretty much like one more day of trading above the 200-day simple moving average will give us a golden cross, which is a huge technical momentum indicator and brings in a lot of technical traders. So about to get that golden cross, looking good there. On to some more short-term technical short-term momentum indicators. You'll see the 13 EMA here, 13-day exponential moving average. The price per share is currently broken up above that and came down, tested, tapped it, and bounced back. So it's showing that we've got a strong momentum here. It's been able to hold, and as long as the price stays above this 0033 for the close here, we're looking good. As you can see today, we closed at 0041. So looking good there. Some more short-term momentum indicators would include the MACD. Recently got its bullish crossover, has been building some spread between that signal line, looking good. The TRIX indicator also recently got its crossover and has actually been spreading even harder than the MACD, so looking very good here as well. And the final short-term momentum indicator I use is the Williams %R indicator, and you'll notice that it has recently dipped into this overbought category, which is bullish for this. This whole zone here is the bullish zone. And it got some little correction here to the downside, but it's started to bounce back up today, as you can see here. So we want to see this jump back up into that overbought category, and that will be considered extremely bullish. In terms of accumulation, one glance at the chart will show you, in terms of the volume bars here, most of the volume on this chart, the high volume days, have been green days, and that is especially so recently. I mean, just take a look at the size of the green volume bars compared to the red ones, and you'll see for yourself that there's been a ton of accumulation. And that's also backed up by the Chaikin money flow, which is positive again. It's recently crossed into positive territory again, and it's holding up at 0.042. Now, the last indicator I want to talk about on this chart today is the ADX line. You'll see that the plus DI line is currently sitting above the minus DI line and the ADX line. The ADX line is this blue one here at 25.29. Basically, that's the overall trend strength. You can tell that we've got a bullish trend because the plus DI line is up here above the other lines here. Now, above 20, we've got a significant trend. So the fact that we're sitting at 25.29 tells us that we've got a very significant bullish trend, and it continues to grow in strength. As you can see from recent strength of the ADX line itself, the recent trend is very strongly pointing upwards. So once again, I am not a professional financial advisor. I am an entertainer, and everything I say cannot be used. Nothing I say can be used to base your buy or sell decision. Thanks for watching, and good luck trading.